Alright, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to create two different planes that are not basic, they're completely different. The lighting is pretty dark, I do apologize for that. Second of all, I tried throwing these, but they don't really show that well, the throwing, but hopefully if you make it together, if you make it yourself, you can see how they work. Cubbing! Okay, so the first step is to grab one side and fold it to one corner rather, and fold it to the opposing side. It's a little difficult to do, but when you figure it out, you should have something that's pretty decent overall. If you just fold that there. Now, next, you want to grab some scissors and just cut along the edge of the triangle. Make sure that you're pushing against the edge. Now, you should have something looking like this, triangle in shape. Next, you want to unfold it. Grab it from one end of the paper to the other and fold. Do the same here and then here. Let me get that more perfect. And then here. Now you should have a little square like this. Now you actually want to unfold it, so in the end you should have a 4x4 square. Now you want to grab these edges and make two corners, triangles on the edges here. Next, you want to actually fold it till there's a line connecting this to the crease over there. Now, you should have a fairly lined up nose in the front, but not a perfectly lined up nose in the front. This one, though, does look pretty good. Okay, next, you want to fold these sides into the crease like that. Do this. So half fold a cube. It is going to take a bit of the triangle part, and that's actually intended. Next step is to completely fold it into half. Now it's starting to look like an actual default plane, and that is kind of it. Next, you are going to take the wings and you're going to bend them at the crease. So it should look something, you should fold them at the cube crease so that now you have something that looks like this. Something that looks, now it does look pretty like a basic plane, but trust me, it's not. Wait till the end for that. Now, with the remaining cutout you got from the other side, you are going to want to fold it in half like this. Mine isn't a perfect square as I did get a bit of cut here, but that's okay. Next, you're going to grab this and fold to the center line on both sides. Next, it's pretty simple from here. Get another triangle corner fold up in the front. Again, another triangle corner fold like that. Then you're going to want to fold it in sort of like that to the edge. Again, now it's starting to take the folds of a default paper airplane, but again, these aren't going to be so default in the end. Next, you're going to grab this part and fold it till the edges touch the edge of the wing part. So I've already touched one edge. I'm not sure why it's not touching the other one. But next, it is time to fold it out. So you should have something like this. But now you're going to pull it out. Pull this out like this. And try and fold it so that you have a rectangle. Next, fold this out. I'll fold this one first. Fold it out at like a triangle and do the same on the other side. You should have something looking like this. So again, grab your scissors and cut down the crease. Now you should have a perfect or semi-perfect triangle. Folds, and as you can see, they're kind of cut. So what you're going to do is actually cut them. Again, just down the crease. Like so. Once it's cut off, you should have something looking like this. And now you want to fold it out like so. Also, at this point, grab the wings and make sure they take a bit of the nasal point and touch at some point that they touch the edge here. Do it on both sides. And it will be really hard to fold it as the paper is going to get really stiff now. But now you should have wings that resemble something like this. Again, in the back, bring this out and bend this like this so that you almost have like an M shape. Fold this out and boom, you have one paper airplane done. Alright, here's the first one. Here's the second one. Now, in order to show you their tricks, it kind of goes like a boomerang. And that kind of also goes like a boomerang. The other one spins, and this one kind of doesn't. Let's see if we can kind of get. As you can see, it kind of just drops. As for this one, it kind of just hits stuff and then falls down. It's really hard to see the angle, but hopefully if you build it yourself, you can see what it's like. Goodbye for now.